everyone. My name is Jayden, and this is my 9th module from KidsSpeak2lead. My motivational speech title is Hard Work Beats Talent. Talent is great, but without hard work, talent means nothing. Agree? Hard work is dedication. It means pushing through more challenges. It means never giving up. When you work hard, you get better every day. You learn, you grow, you improve. Talent can give you a head start, but hard work keeps you going. It makes you stronger. It makes you unstoppable. Hard work is waking up early. It is practicing again and again. It is staying focused on your goals. When others rest, you keep working. When others quit, you keep going. That's what makes the difference. Success doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from perseverance, from grit, from hard work. Think of all of the great athletes, musicians, and scientists. They don't rely on talent alone. They work hard every single day. Hard work builds character. It builds discipline. It builds a mindset that can achieve anything. Don't be afraid to fail. Every failure is a lesson, and every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep pushing, keep striving, and keep believing in yourself. Remember, hard work always pays off. Maybe not today, but eventually it will. Believe in the power of hard work. Believe that you can outwork anyone. Believe that your efforts will lead to success. So, when you feel like giving up, remember, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Keep working hard. Keep chasing your dreams and never ever give up. Thank you.